Yeah, man. Zion people rise up. Remember who you be. Greatness live inside you. The seeds of greatness, them they in me. My father no make me feel live in a misery. Me nah go call myself a nobody, 'cause Jah create me fi be somebody. Me a real somebody, yeah. Made in a God own image. Me a real somebody, whoa. Crowned with value and heritage. Me nah go discredit, nah go destroy what God put inside me heart full of joy. Me looking at the mirror and me see His light, fearfully made me shining bright. The world may try to put me down, but me born for wear the royal crown. Never again me go doubt who I be. Christ living in me eternally. From Zion heights, me destiny clear. Me rise in faith, me got no fear. Me a real somebody, yeah. Made in a God own image. Me a real somebody, whoa. Crowned with value and heritage. My people, hold on to your greatness. Jah no create failure. Him create champions.